He owns the restaurant and
cooking class.
And it's called Restin. And that's what the restaurant's called as well, right? So he owns Restin, and he offered us a cooking class today, and we're going to be doing the vegan cooking class. So now we're doing a market tour.
Yeah, now we are going to market tour. After that, we will go one more. Also, we will see all the things.
So we get to see everything that they're buying for cooking today, and even more than that, we've got to see flowers and how coconut milk is made. So it's been a great tour so far. Tom yum paste. You can use this like this by itself with vegetables, or you can put it into soup and you can freeze it. So this is going to be awesome for us to have on hand. Soup, it's tom yum, and this has coconut milk in it, but then she added in more coconut milk at the end on the top, and that made it into tom kha. So that's the main difference, is just extra coconut milk, and it makes it a whiter, creamier soup. We just finished up the cooking class at the Rest Inn. The Rest Inn is a hostel as well as a restaurant. You started out as only a hostel on top, and now it has the restaurant on the bottom, and they offer these cooking classes. So it was a great cooking class. All of the foods were the best that we've really had in Thailand so far. The spice levels and just the flavor profiles and the depth of flavor. We made spring rolls, and then pad thai, Massaman Curry, tom yum soup, and they also show you how to make it tom kha style with coconut milk. Oh, and a papaya salad. Oh, and a mango sticky rice. That was so damn good. So we made a lot of different dishes. The staff were so much fun, and the chef were so much fun to work with. I would say the only things about this cooking class that were a little bit difficult is that the market tour could have been a bit more in depth. And then the other thing is that the chef for the Thai food is also serving the restaurant. She had to step away a couple of times, and it was okay because we were eating our dishes. But it's just know that because it's even though it's individualized attention, and we were the only people in the cooking class, which was great to have one-on-one and for a great price, you just have to be aware of that and be cool with it and sit and do something else and eat your food and you know, wait for the next course to start. So anything else you can think of?
No, I think that's it.
Yeah.
Good time overall.
Yeah. So it was nice because I took the course, and then Andrew recorded it so that we could show you what we went through. But you could both sign, like if you're with a couple or a group, you could all sign up together, and I'm sure it would be great. So if you are in Thailand, if you're in Bangkok specifically, check out the Rest Inn cooking class. I think you guys will really enjoy it, and have a great rest of your day. Thanks for joining us.